Rochas Okorocha school. This man name no be here. In students don't come outside now when they protest, serious protest. As I the top students, and not so many of them they imagine university level. No be university, small children no, they don't come outside now when they protest. Anyhow, be like say too fast. For now, we no remember person where they talk about Okorocha. Una remember matter what happened between Hope Uzodima, I didn't say my name be that. Him and the present governor of Imo State. Yes, this Okorocha where they talk about now the previous governor of Imo State. Two of them been get matter where the present governor of Imo State go lock estate where the previous governor of Imo State build. In wife build, you understand? So as the present governor go lock that place, now so Okorocha go there, he say they break him because he get rights. You understand? So in carry people, they break the place. So now there this matter starts. And as I talk to now they arrest Okorocha. So now there this update they come from now. The students don't come outside. When they protest, say me they release them, me they not hurt them. Me in fact many they carry signboard. The protest they very serious. In fact this one say they be seniors of NSAS protest. So for now we don't know who are they talk about. Join me, make we watch the video.
Don't close our school. It's our only hope. Don't kill our benefactor. He's our daddy. Don't kill our benefactor. He's our daddy. Don't close our school. He's our only hope. Don't close our school. He's our only hope. Don't want our father. He's our daddy. Don't want our father. He's our daddy. Don't close our school. He's our only hope. Don't close our school. He's our only hope. Don't kill our benefactor. He's our daddy. Don't kill our daddy.
Make una see wetin politicians they make these small children they go through. For una to see say heart no dey these people body. If I dey talk una no go dey believe. See am. Small children, as una watch this thing now, una see person wey be 25 years old there. Small children, what a shame! Shame. In fact, this is in fact atrocity self is small. And as we watch this thing now, some parents go dey proud. Say my child is protesting, my child is this one. See, una head they do tongoli. Instead of make una stand for waiting be right. Abeg may we start from that principal of that school. They need question this man, they need bring him outside. School where we assume say so it's school now to train people, make they become responsible, our youths, leaders of tomorrow and all those things. Now they use that one, they manipulate children with this their nonsense thing. Make una no involve all these children for una political things. Oh. No involve them because I'm not what did these people even know for this age? What did they know? People wey even their name, they never feel spell and finish. When they call them, say don't hurt. I don't understand. How come the wonder say, wetin governor can't even, if you check this thing now, una go see say nah, they don't bribe them. You no go pass sweet, you no go pass chewing gum, you no go pass biscuits. For this age. Nana, they understand many things. Nana, they understand. Bia, if you be parents, you know say you what did they call am? You pay school fees. Without even if na free, sef, you no concern me. Your pikin dey that school. If you know wetin good for you, start dey go comot your pikin from that school. Sare, fast. Go comot your pikin from that school. If not, tomorrow you go even regret. See, hey, make I no just start dey talk some kind things. Person go school, he graduate, e be like say you no even go school. Now wetin go happen to una children? Una go dey wonder where the school? They use una children now for their political selfish reasons. No be any good thing. No. If una wan help children, una at least as parents, una suppose know by now wetin una children need. No be this thing these children need by this time at this age. They come outside, they shout, don't hurt our daddy, don't hurt her. Una no know where una real father dey, not only your daddy. This one said for house, I no go even dey surprise. Some of them say no even they call their father daddy. See, una just, in fact, parents make una no just make me vex with una. So if you know say you been dey clap for this nonsense before, I don't come now so that your brain go dey reset. You understand? I dey reset am so that you go get sense. Una go just sit down born children, una no know why una born children. This thing now una just watch, e dey right? E dey right? These children don't know anything, so they manipulate them. In case una no know, they don't know anything. I no go talk past this one. No, I don't talk the one where I fit talk. A word is enough for the wise. If you know wetin good for you, go comot your pikin for that school. Another school dey there. You understand? No go dey train. No wonder we get many criminals now. We still dey tackle the ones wey dey here. Una don start dey train other ones. My people, abeg drop the comment for that comment section. This matter dey very very important, and why una need share this video so that we go save lives. These children need help. Very very important. You understand? And as for that one wey dey say don't hurt our daddy, make una no even try release am from that cell. That man does not need to be outside. He's a threat to this country and to the youth and to children. So share this video, drop your comment, and subscribe if you never subscribe. Stay tuned for our next story. My people, Nigerian agberos don dey take another level. This one don pass, in fact, e don pass agbero level. This one na criminalism, total one. This girl come dey tell us matter now. According to her, she say she dey waka na park. Una know how those parks dey where people dey load to enter bus when they dey go somewhere. So she dey waka for the park, and according to her, she dey go deliver something for her mama. She even show us the bag, say oh na this thing I dey carry go give my mama. Oh, when she dey pass na so one agbero. I don't know whether na conductor, I don't know whether na driver. Una know say difference no dey. E dey hard for una to find decent driver and conductor nowadays. So when the guy come ask and say, madam, how far na you dey go? Na how they dey do. Na so the guy come say no. Just know where this girl come turn. Na so this agbero start dey press her breast. He press breast as the girl wan retaliate. Na so he start dey beat am. The annoying part of this matter sef no be even wetin I just talk. The fact be say people even stand there, nobody even cough. Abeg, already I don dey feel somehow. Because for una wey no know the girl, wey no know wetin happen, how she even dey cry, dey beg. Because join me, make you watch the video.
I was going to the park to deliver something to my mom just now when one guy from this park right here, the guy assaulted me. He asked me if I was going. I said I am not going. The next thing, this guy started press on the road and hitting my hand. When I slapped the guy back, the guy started beating me. He found me on the floor and hit my neck. He was pressing my neck. He almost strangled me here. And everybody here, all these men who said the thing. Look at what I was going to deliver to my mom. I was going to deliver this bag to my mom when this guy assaulted me on the road and started beating me for no reason.
My people, na only animal fit stand witness this kind thing and e no do anything. So in other words, I dey try tell all of una, me I no care who you be. Oh, if you like, me your papa be the richest man in Nigeria, I no care. Me okay, koko. You understand? So all of una wey no say una stand there, they watch how they maltreat woman. All of una see una be animals because una no get heart. How person go dey harass person sexually? You know wetin e mean to dey imagine say they press your sister breast, which you no gree. Una wicked. See, and this thing no be the first time. E get many matters wey don happen wey people just dey watch. Why una dey do like this? Why una no fit just put una self for person shoe for once? E no good oh. E no good. Na only for social media you go see say people get voice. They fit talk all the talk when they want talk for social media. Their own be say when something just dey happen, na to waka pass. Some dey waka pass, some dey video. Na the only power wey these people get now. Una go soon meet the one wey pass una own. And make I tell una now, no be swear, no be prayer, no dey insult anybody. Na just fact wey I dey tell una. You understand? Anybody, see, if as you dey watch as person dey suffer, when you get strength or you get the power to do something, you no do something. Na so people go watch you suffer too. Very, very important. And the time don reach when we need to start dey deal with these agberos, because see, una don plenty pass citizens. We need to start dealing with this. Where dem dey, MC Oluomo and co. Una suppose dey tackle this matter now. But una dey busy with side chicks and una dey do boy for politicians. Una no go do something good for una country. Una to just sit down there, dey look for different skirts wey dey pass and to dey do dirty work for people. Biko, make everybody start dey wear their shoe. Because this year I no wan hear all these nonsense things. Why? No nice. Seriously, no, as this girl they talk now, the thing no do now something for una heart. This world, I swear, this Nigeria now where we there, no. Una think say na just mini skirt. Una think say na when person wear something. This one now, she her breast open. As una watch that video now, you know say even the shirt where she wear even cover body. Even if person no wear something wey cover body, I know they support indecent dressing, but I just dey tell una, even if person wear bomb shot or anything, e no suppose concern you to the extent wey you go dey harass am sexually. Yes, call am and talk to am, advise am, say babe, see you need to change this thing. Na so dey treat people. Person just tell you no, na by force to enter your boss. I no just understand, na by force. Now wow. This thing just even make me remember, e get one time where I even dey inside market. Hey! Because now na the one wey dey rain o. Even inside market, you no wan buy something na so, sister, how far? They go even, that one no even do, they go come meet you, they go hold your hand. Slap na, so many of una go start dey receive slap. Now why from now, don't make up my mind pepper spray, you know they miss for my bag. Pepper spray. If you try nonsense, I blind you. Case closed. Because una don't overdo am. Una don't overdo am. You know there enough self to harass person. You even enter her breast. Wetin you dey find for her breast? Wetin you dey find? Seriously, I dey feel for this girl. I don't know how una take watch this video, but the thing I don't already dey take am personal. E dey very painful. Imagine say something dey worry you. You no fit fight. You no fit do anything. You no just get the power to do am. You just dey feel am for your heart. If we decide now to start protest concerning this Agbero people, they go send police make they shoot us. And now, as protest no dey, police go dey hear all this matter, they still no go do something about am. Wetin una want? Wetin una want make we do? No, make we kill ourselves. And all of una, this one dey very, very important. All of una wey no say una get children, make una see. Oh, make una better start dey train those children. Oh. You understand? Very, very important, because this Agbero now wey I dey talk about, e get mama, e get papa somewhere. If you no get the two, but at least you get one. No just come dey cause problem for the society only in the name of giving birth. Una go just give birth to things that people can't even express or explain. Wetin? Train your children as you dey give birth. See, train them. If you no say you no go fit, because keep your this thing to yourself. No push am out. Wetin happen? Person no fit waka again for road. Criminal waka, they no go do am anything. Innocent person waka, na that one they go come dey attack. You know say you get strength. You know say you get power to harass woman. Yet for police force, they look for people wey go join. You no go join. Boko Haram come, we need people wey go fight. You no go fight. Now for woman, you get power. Una time go soon reach. And for una police, biko, at least surprise us small. Look into this case. Not just pass. You understand? It is very important. All these Agberos, they need. I don't even know. I beg my people. How una think say we fit even solve this Agbero matter, because they plenty. If I say make they start, they catch them one by one. When we won't finish, because they don't pass us. So because if you get any solution or you think of any idea, you understand, when we feel tackle this Agbero matter, my people, I beg drop am. If he help person, you don't know whether another person go be the next. Make another say you understand? Somebody else will be the next. So make we tackle this thing. Since people wey suppose do am, they don't sleep. We dey awake. I beg, make we try push this thing small. And my sister, Biko, sorry. I just wish say I fit do something now, one magic or something, but I no fit. You understand? Just I beg, take heart, and next time, just avoid those kind of places. Abeg, no be just for her. If you know say anywhere where you dey waka, no go stand for where you know say all those area boys too dey. Look for place where you know say you dey okay, because we go avoid this thing. As at now, no way we fit do am. You understand? So make we just try avoid. E dey very, very important. Drop your comments for that comment section, and remember to share this video. You fit help a sister, you fit help a brother, and make sure say you subscribe. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.